Hi, welcome to my channel, DolanChick. My name is Alia, I'm Uyghur. If you're new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, I make Uyghur food. And today, we are going to make Suykash. Let's begin. These are all the ingredients: basil, sweet red pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, purple top turnip. There is also green top turnip, and bell pepper, tomato, potato, lamb, white flour, cumin, black pepper, white pepper, salt, and olive oil. I'm going to start with the dough. A pinch of salt, little by little cold water, the dough needs to be a little bit hard, so we do this with a little bit salt and cold water. The dough is ready. I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes, and don't forget to cover it with a wet towel. Now I'm going to prepare, wash and cut them. For this recipe, I cut all the ingredients in small pieces. And potato, I put this in water, cold water. Now I'm going to heat up the pan. Put in the oil. When the oil is hot enough, you will see light smoke. Put the lamb in. When the lamb is golden brown like this, you can put in the onion. Put in the salt, like 1 teaspoon, and black pepper, white pepper, and tiny bit cumin. Put in the tomato. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. The ginger and garlic. Put in the green bell pepper and red pepper. Now add the water. Bring it to a boil. When it's boiling, turn the fire down to the medium heat. When it's boiling, I'm going to put in the purple top turnip and potato in the pan. When it starts boiling again, turn the fire down to the medium heat. If you like vinegar, you can put a little bit black vinegar in. And my mom said it's good for the dough. After about 15 minutes, the dough is ready. I'm going to put a little bit oil on it. Now I'm going to cut it in small pieces. Each piece is 1 finger big. Now I'm going to make them thinner like this. Don't forget to lubricate the table a little bit so it doesn't stick on the table. I'm going to pick the first one and make it flat with my hands. Do this very gentle. Pick up the dough very gentle and put it very carefully on your hand, like this. Now we are going to throw the dough in the pan. Throw the dough on the boiling side. Some people can do this very good and from very big distance like this, and they do this very fast. I do this like baby. Each time when you finish with the dough, you have to mix it. As you can see, I didn't use all the dough. It depends how hungry you are, how many people you have, the thickness of the soup. You can decide it by yourself. And if you need, you can put more salt in it. Lastly, I'm going to put basil in it. Suykash is ready. This way of making suykash, we call it throw suykash. That's tashlap suykash. And we serve suykash most of the time with naan. If you want to learn more about naan, you can look at my previous video. And my dad says always, you can eat suykash when you're sick. It's good for your body. It's good for detoxing. I hope you like this video. If you like it, consider subscribing to my channel and thumbs up. See you next week. Bye.